I kinda suck at PvP. And recently, I've seen a bunch of trapping videos. So that has made me think, could I trap people instead of PvPing them? That idea has led me to make a lot of funny or stupid kits just to try and trap people. Just like this kit where I ended up drowning the opponent. Or this one where I ended up full boxing a kid.
Yes.
But things didn't always go to plan. I had tried many different traps, but none of them seemed to be working. But then, while I was looking through the menus of what to add to my kit, I got an idea. You see, most players on PvP Legacy, the server I'm playing on, are kind of stupid. The plan was simple. Dig a hole and wait for other player to come down and start attacking you. When they do, spawn a ton of bees and then watch them die. So I made this kit. You can see full diamond armor with feather falling 4, 8 gavels, 64 bee spawn eggs and a diamond sword and diamond pickaxe. The feather falling is because when you dig the hole, people will be scared to jump down. Enough talking, let's get into the fighting. Even though I just showed you a lot of clips of me winning, I also lost sometimes, as you can see in this clip. And here in the end, I just want to show you some funny clips that happened along the way. Oh, okay, he knows. Oh, never mind, okay. So you spawned bees and started hating me. Maybe not the brightest person. Is it this guy I've already been up against? You again? Oh no. Yeah, in the end, I will just give some tips on if you want to play the kit yourself. So first of all, it's never a good idea to hit the bees because then you'll die. And second, if they don't jump in the hole, like a lot of times I had to be patient before they jumped in the hole. So if also depending on how patient and how good you are, you can also just go out the hole and fight them normally. But I would suggest staying in the hole. And lastly, but also very important, remember to switch versus. Let's say I fought a lot of players in versus 3, so they all know my kit. I can switch to versus 2 and play against new players, which I can fool. And that was about it. Thank you for watching. If you have any feedback, make sure to leave it in the comments.